Lovelies, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing great. Summer is here and it is really hot. Today I want to share with you a really refreshing summer drink, and that is my Fennel Peach Lemonade. It is really delicious and refreshing. I hope you're going to love it. Welcome back, lovelies. In this summer drink, I'm going to be using just 4 ingredients, and these 4 ingredients, the first one is frozen peach, and I'm not going to be using ice in this recipe because I have already frozen my peach. And then the next one is fennel tea. I already made it and kept it to get cold before I'm going to use it. So now I just added my peach in the blender. Now I'm going in now with my tea, and then the next ingredient will be lemon, which I'm going to be cutting into two, and I'll use 2 lemons in this with everything. If you don't like the chaff inside, you can as well remove it. And now I'll be going in now with my honey, and as you all know, honey, tea and lemon is a perfect match. So right now I'll just add it, and then I blend all the ingredients together, and yeah, our lemonade is ready. I love the color and it is so refreshing, guys. I'm just going to be putting it now into my glasses, and guys, you need to try this out. You need to try it out. It's so delicious and refreshing, and it's very cold and nice, good for the weather. And if you want to add more ice cubes inside, you can add it. As for me, I didn't want to add any more ice into it because my kids will also be drinking it. So I don't get all of you, all my lovely family, for always coming back to watch my videos, for the likes and for your lovely comments, and for the new subscribers. You're all welcome. Thank you all so much. God bless you. And please, I would like to know in the comment section whether you like your lemonade very cool, you want to add more ice cubes into your lemonade or not. Thank you. See you all in my next video. Bye.